Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Today in math, we're going to open to page 151 of our Stepping Stones book. That's our math textbook, page 151, and we're going to complete this assignment. We're basically just going to copy each picture of these three illustrations. Remember yesterday when we copied three different illustrations? We're going to go ahead and copy these, and these are all made of shapes, 2D shapes. Now what shapes do we see? In the first one here, I see a bird, and it looks like his body's a half circle, and then his head is what? A circle. His beak is triangle, a couple triangles here on the tail, and then one long rectangle for his perch, where he's standing on. And there's a couple lines for his feet. Okay? And on the next one is a robot head. What do we see here? The head is a big rectangle, and then a half circle for the mouth, and then we see different shapes there, some squares, circles, triangle, and then down for the mouse and the cheese, half circle again. Seems like half circles work really well for animal bodies. So there's a half circle there, circle for the head, two circles for the ears, just some lines there, and then what would this be? It looks like cheese, and that looks like what? A square, right? Alright, so copy these. You can color them as well. Take a picture and upload it. And thank you for completing this assignment today for math.